Let's say you wake up one morning and you pick up your phone, you check your bank account, and you notice that there is no money inside your account. An idea just came to you. What if I want to make money online? Or what if I start making money online? Or what if I found different ways for me to make money online? But then there are a lot of people online telling you that for you to make money online, you have to pay for courses, you have to learn skills, which is good, or you have to do YouTube automation or Facebook monetization. Okay, I know I'm actually guilty of that because I do talk about Facebook monetization a lot, but don't judge me. The fact is that all these things are real and all these things actually works, but there is just one problem. It takes a lot of time to learn because these things require a lot of skills, or these things require skills for you to be able to accomplish them, and it takes a lot of time, or it takes time for it to be profitable, especially if you're a beginner. And to be honest with you, you have to eat, right? You have to eat before you finish learning these skills, or you have to eat before you master these skills, or you have to eat before you keep practicing these skills. So what if you don't have any money and you want to start making money online, or you have 10,000 in your account, or let's say 20,000 in your account, and you want to start making money online, and you are learning a skill, an online skill, but at the same time you have to eat, right? Yes, definitely. How can you go about it? Now, today in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 ways. Yes, 4 ways that you can use to start making money online today. By the way, happy new month. Comment happy new month in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure you join my community to get more content from me. Okay, match that breaks. I'm not saying after watching this video that money will start dropping in your account. That's a lie, because anything you decide to do, it requires hard work, or it requires a little work, or it requires a little effort for something profitable to come out. So please pay close attention. 4 ways. Let's talk about 4 ways you can start making money online today, or you can potentially make money online today, the 1st of August 2026. This is a method I call online task. I call it online task, or online tasking. Now, what is this all about? This is a process whereby you get to complete simple tasks, or you get to complete some online tasks, or some micro tasks for different platforms, or different companies, or different websites, and they get to reward you. And this is something that you can start today if you're a person that's okay, you're hungry and you just want to whoop up something as fast as possible, maybe 6 hours or 8 hours later, and then you get some extra stuff. This is a method that actually works in 2026. Now, I know some of you are saying, okay, Solomon, which company, which website, which platform? Well, if I'm being honest with you, there are a lot of platforms, a lot of websites, a lot of things you can do online. Could be offer wars, you could be installing a PTC and GPT tags and things like that for you to get started. I know you still ask me, Solomon, but you have not mentioned any platform yet. Yes, that's true. Now, here's the thing. If you want to see different GPT and PTC platforms that you can get started with this, I've created a lot of videos. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot of videos about different PTC. PTC means paid to click, right? GPT means get paid to. You can check out my cirrden account. Here is the thing about GPT and PTC site. Number one thing you need to know is that they don't really pay much. But if you find the one that can pay you well, that you enjoy, well, you can go for it. Some of them are not free, but most of them are free. You just have to clarify that part so that you know exactly what you're jumping into. Now, number 2 on my list is called affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of those stuff that you can do, or one of those side hustles that you can do with no capital. So let's say you wake up today and you say that you want to make money online, and the only option available is affiliate marketing. How can you go about it? The first step, I'm going to look for an affiliate platform. The platform I can recommend for you is called stakecut.com. This is where you find different digital products, different digital courses, and you can resell these courses and you earn your commission. Very, very simple. Some of these courses pay you up to 50%, some 40%, some 70%, which means you can earn like $1, $2, $3. The thing right here is that you have to pick a niche, and you have to pick a winning product or a winning offer that actually works for you or the people in your environment. So pick something people are currently looking for, because if you promote what people are not looking for, you're just going to end up not making any money. So pick what people are looking for. How can I promote this thing? I'm not good at promoting church WhatsApp group. You have your family WhatsApp group, you have your friends WhatsApp group, you have your school WhatsApp group. Look at what people in those groups are searching for, what they are complaining about. Go to stay caught, pick out a product, drop it there with a good caption. If they have 500 people in those groups, all of them will not buy, but 3 might buy, 2 might buy, or 1 is going to buy. And that one that buy, you might make up to $3. This is something you can do. The third side also I want to talk about is called short links. Yes, short links. And this is something people don't talk about a lot these days. Short links are one of those ways you can wake up one morning and say, I want to make money, and you can make money that same day with short links. How does it work? Ad network platforms or different ad networks. So what you do is that after you go there, you sign up your account. Once you sign up your account, they're going to give you a short link. Just take that short link, share it to a WhatsApp group, to a Telegram channel. What actually happens is that that link has a destination. When people click on that link, before they arrive at their destination, they're going to watch different ads along the way before they arrive. And as they are watching this ads, you're actually making money. It's as simple as that. Short links are one of the best ways you can decide that, okay, I want to make money online today, and you actually do make money online today. But here's the catch: you need to look for a better platform or a good platform for you to get started with short links. And don't get me wrong, short links are not really that perfect because it has its own downside. Now, one of the downside is that when people notice a lot that these links are short links and they contain a lot of ads, some people might get frustrated before they get to their destination, which does not build perfect reputation. So somebody will say, the next time when you drop a link, somebody might say, okay, the links are always with ads, I don't want to click on it. So don't spam people's DM, or don't spam people's comment section, or don't spam groups, don't spam your community. You can just do it twice a day, or once a day, or once in 3 days, and always make sure you balance it. Now, I know you ask me, Solomon, which website should I go and do this? Now, one of the websites you can go for these short links is called Monetag. Yes, Monetag. And I'm going to make a tutorial about that specific tutorial on my Selim account. But Monetag is a website that you can just go there, sign up your account, you click on there 3 lines, you're going to see an option for short links, because it's a website, it's an ad network that helps you monetize your Telegram mini app, monetize short links, and even monetize your website in some cases. So Monetag is a perfect option for you to go for. You can just wake up one morning this August and say, okay, I want to make money online using short links. Go to Monetag. The fourth side hustle that I want to talk about today that you can use to make money online today is the one that gave me this $23 that you're seeing on my screen right now. And if I'm being honest with you, the $23 was unexpected. I never expected to make this amount of money from this particular platform. It's not much, but it's something that I just tried. And since then, I've tried my best to share it with my community. And I just made a tutorial about this particular side hustle. It's on my Selim account. I just posted it on my Selim account. At least that's the part 1, because I'm breaking it down into 3 different parts, because this side hustle has different parts, and you have to understand it for it to work perfectly for you. They call this particular side hustle clipping. Yes, they call it clipping, and I just made the tutorial on my Selim account right now. Clipping is one of those things you can do today and make money online today. How does it work? You just look for different brands or different company or different people, and you clip their videos on social media, and they pay you for every 1,000 views. It's very simple. How can you go about this? There are different platforms, different websites. I've made a video about 10 to 15 different clipping websites. Go and watch that particular video. For a newbie, I would advise you to go to a platform called Content Reward. Just go there, sign up your account, then you go to Warp, sign up your account. Warp and Content Rewards are almost the same. In fact, they are the same thing. Now, link your Content Reward account to your Warp account. Look for different campaigns. You can clip gaming videos, music videos, streaming videos from popular streamers, entertainment, movies, and anything you want to clip is available. So what you have to do, create a new TikTok account or a UK TikTok account. Now connect that TikTok account to your Content Reward account. Look for different campaigns that are available. Read the instructions carefully, then get the materials from them, because they are going to give you materials. Once they give you those video materials, go to your InShot or your CapCut, cut these clips based on what they advise you to do. Get captions from them, because sometimes they're going to give you captions. Then after that, you post it on your TikTok. Then after that, you submit it inside Content Reward. If they verify and approve the video, then they can start counting it. Every 1,000 view, they can pay you $2, $3 based on the RPM. If you want to watch the tutorial about clipping, follow me on my Selim account. The link is in the comment section or the description of this particular video. So these are 4 different side hustles that if you wake up one morning and say, I want to start, just pick one one, put your full effort or put your full force in that particular one till you see result. The mistake most of you make is that when you see things like this, you decide to jump from A to B, from B to C. No, pick one, focus on that particular one till you see tangible result. I know some of you will say, Solomon, you are a hypocrite. Are you not doing all of them? I'm guilty. Don't judge me. I do all of them. But if you don't have the capacity, pick only one so that you can focus.